Knowt's assessment generator gives teachers several different options for creating an assessment for your students. We're going to click the green plus button near the upper right portion of the window, and on the left-hand side, we'll click on Assessment. There are several different options available. We can create an assessment with AI using a custom prompt that we enter. We can create from an existing file, such as a PowerPoint or PDF, from scratch, from an existing set of notes or flashcards. We can create using the AP library, and we can create an AP mock exam. So for advanced placement teachers, there are those options as well. I'm going to show you first how to create with AI. What you need to do is put in your specific prompt, a topic, a standard, or an objective. You can select the grade level, the question types. The default is to create 10 questions, 6 multiple choice, 2 true or false, and 2 short answer. We can go in and adjust this as we would like. I'm going to go ahead and create an assessment for a Spanish class. Once the assessment has been created, teachers have the ability to edit it and review it. You can adjust the points, edit the question itself. You can also delete the question. You can click the plus button to add additional questions. If I'm pleased with the output, I can click the create button. If I'd like to start all over again, I can click regenerate. I'll click create, and at that point, that's where you choose where you would like it to go. You can save it in the class. Once an assessment has been created, you will notice an assign button that will allow me to choose a specific start date, end date. If I want to enforce a time limit, I can do that as well. I can also toggle on or off whether I would like it to be a graded assignment and if I would like the grade to be shown immediately after submission. It will show you the instructions for the student. If I'm pleased with this and would like to use these options, I'll click update. After students complete it, you'll be able to see their progress in the dashboard. Another way to create an assessment is from an existing file. So if I just click on that option and upload the file, I will click confirm, adjust it for a grade level, and we can adjust the types of questions. Click on save and continue. Once the assessment has been generated, you can scroll through, make any edits as necessary like the previous option, and click create if you're pleased with the output and selecting where you would like it to go. You also have the option to click assign and set a start date and an end date as previously shown. Another option is to create an assessment manually by clicking create from scratch. This one will allow you to put in a title and manually add each question individually. I can click improve this for me and use AI, and I can click generate. If I prefer to do it on my own, I can just click the create manually button. If I'm happy with this question, I can click add question, and I can continue creating this assessment from scratch. Another way to create an assessment is from a set of notes or flashcards, and that will allow you to choose from something that you already have in your class materials. And you can click add, and you'll have the same option. You can select the grade level and choose the types of questions and click create. As with the other methods of assessment generation, you can go through and make any edits as needed and click the create button when you're pleased with the output. And the last two options are specifically for advanced placement teachers. You can create from the AP library from selected AP courses that are available from the list. You can choose specific units to bring the questions from, and you can preview the exam. If pleased with the output, then you can return to the screen and click the create button and choose where you would like it to be stored. And the last type of assessment is a full AP mock exam. There are some courses to choose from. You can select from these options, click create. You can try it out and preview it, and when ready, click create and choose where you would like it to be stored. And that's an overview of the assessment generator.